All right, on the board, what do you notice? Sejal. Good. There's a test next week, Thursday. It will be in your quarter one grade. It's the last, probably the last grade for first quarter. Go ahead, get your agenda out and write that in there. Test next week, Thursday. All right, what we're going to do today is we are going to be dividing with mixed numbers. Okay, how exciting is that? Super exciting. I can tell your excitement through your eyes.
We get to do models really with awesome. It too?
No models. Yes. Okay. All right. So, what I want you to do, think about what do you think we're going to do with mixed numbers and dividing? Sejal.
I think that we're gonna like turn the mixed number into
You're so close. Change the mixed number into it's up there. I'm going to call someone else. Parker. Improper fraction. Great job. What is 2 and 2/5 as an improper fraction? Elena. 12/5. Great job. Okay, 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12/5. Then we're going to divide by 4/5. I want you on your guided notes, the top right, next to the key concept, right up here. We're solving this together. So write the problem. Lincoln. Ooh, I'm not there yet. Okay, write this problem right here. I need you to write this. Then write it as a mixed number as an improper fraction. Lincoln, what do you think we do next? Yes, we keep, change, and flip. As I told you yesterday, all division of fractions is keep, change, flip. We keep it nice and easy for you. You think that's easy? Okay. So the first number is going to be, Jackson, 12/5. Change the operation to altogether? Multiplication. Thank you for the 3 people, all of you. Okay, and flip. Flip 4/5 is what, Kendall? 5/4. Flipping it is also called the Good, the reciprocal. Does anyone notice anything in this problem that we could do before we multiply? I know you all love doing this.
Make your life so easy.
Ashton.
You multiply across.
Okay, we can multiply across. If you do multiply across, you get 60/20. Those are some big numbers, though. What could we do before we do that, though? Sejal. Good. We can cross simplify. What can we divide out of either of these? Cole. Awesome. We can divide a 5 out of the 5. Divide a 5 out of the 5. What is 5 divided by 5 altogether? 1. Thank you for your energy, Lincoln. 5 divided by 5 altogether is?
1.
There we go. Much better. You could multiply across from here and get 12/4. Can we divide anything out of 12 and 4, though? Macy. You had your hand. I saw it.
I don't know.
You can divide a 4 out. Perfect. So you can divide a 4 out of 4 to get 1. Divide 12 divided by 4 to get 3. Multiply across. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. All of these simplify to what? Ileana? 3. 20 goes into 60 3 times. 20, 40, 60. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4, 8, 12. 1 goes into 3 times. So recap for me. What do we do when we divide with mixed numbers? Step 1 is going to be what? Parker.
Change the number to an improper fraction.
Perfect. Change your mixed number to improper fraction. Step number 2. Kendall.
Keep change left.
Good. Keep, change, flip. That's the action. Keep, change, flip. Yeah, that's the action. Okay. Next is what? Goal. Good. See if you can simplify. Then what do? Multiply across. Okay. On your homework, it's going to ask that you put it in simplest form. It's going to ask that you put it in as a proper fraction, a whole number, or mixed number. Question. All right, let's try another one. We're going to do this problem right here. 1 5/9, it's on your paper, divided by 8/9. Does everyone see it? It's letter A on your paper. There's not a lot of space, so go ahead, you can find room over to the right, on the bottom, separate sheet of paper, the very back, bottom. But we're going to solve 1 5/9 divided by 8/9. All right, I'm going to randomly call on people here. Step number 1 is to do what? Macy.
To make the,
Oh, two people.
do the,
Okay, Macy.
do the 9 in the, like, I don't know what it's called. To make the one thing not.
Don't talk for her. She can do it. Explain. If you don't know how to say it, tell me what you do to get to it.
9 plus 5.
9 plus 5. Okay, you have to do first. You have to do what is 9 plus 5. 9 times 1 plus 5. Right? We're changing this mixed number into a what? Other Macy. Good. What's that called? Improper fraction. Good. So 14/9. Please, everyone, when solving these, do not change it to multiplication right away. And I know I'll say this multiple times, and people will still do it. Okay? And I don't know why, because it does not take any longer to write it as a division problem and then keep, change, flip. Because if you don't do that, you will not flip it correctly. It happens all the time. Okay? So I rewrite it as 8/9. Next step. Why? Because what will happen is people will keep, change, flip, and they won't flip it, or this number will end up being a mixed number, and it looks like it's flipped, but it's really not. Okay? All right, so now we do what? Nick. Good, we keep, change, flip. 14/9 times 9/8. I don't know what 14 times 9 is on top of my head. Okay? I would simplify. You also have your agenda if you want, but simplifying it is going to help. What can we divide out of these numbers? Cross simplifying. Maddie. Yes, great job. We can divide a 9 out. These are going to become 1 and 1. You could get 14/8. But we can divide something else out. Because they're both even, that means we can always divide at least something out. What can we divide out of 8 and 14? Sejal. Good, we can divide a 2 out. Divide a 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 14 divided by 2 is 7. We have 7 times 1, which is right up here. 7. 1 times 4 is 4. We get 7 fourths. That is an improper fraction. So what we need to do is change it to a mixed number. Okay, change it to a mixed number. A fraction is just a division problem. So 7 divided by 4. How many times does 4 go into 7 altogether? 1 time. That's 4. I subtract, I get 3. Remainder 3. What is it as a mixed number? Jackson. 1. Remainder is the numerator, so it should be 3. Denominator stays the same. 1 and 3/4.
So do we only do that?
Good, yes. You only divide when this is an improper fraction, you're making it into a mixed number. This right here? Yes, we have to change that mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay? We have to do that. Yes. Yep. Sage. You have to put it in as a mixed number. Okay. A little extra work. Your homework is only 4 questions because I understand that these can go, can be more challenging and take more time, but. Okay, next one I want you to do, I want you to try it on with a partner. Doing a partner, take 1 and 1/15 divided by 1 and 3/5. It is letter F. Letter F.
Mr. Bettinger,
Yes.
there was a problem last night that I'm sure they have problem with. Was that area? They had to select more than one and had to pick second one. They had to pick what statements and what the area is in total, but it doesn't tell you that. It just tells you the fraction of the problem. But I don't know. My guys.
All right, step number 1 is to do what? Ava? Good, we have to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. 15 times 1 is 15, plus 1 is 16/15. Please write divided by. I saw someone who did not do that, and you had it incorrect. Okay? Next step is to do what? Ariana? Good. 1 and 3/5 change to an improper fraction. That's 5 to 7/8. 8/5. Next step is what, Macy? Awesome. Keep, change, flip. 16/15 times 5/8. Raise your hand if you just multiplied straight across here. Okay, what'd you get? Yeah. You give what? 100 what? Okay. If you didn't multiply straight across, what did you do? Pull. Good. You can divide an 8 out. Divide an 8 out. That becomes a 1. That becomes a 1. 5. Oh, becomes a 2. Thank you for catching it. Nice job. 5 and 15. Can you divide anything out? Nick. Good, you can divide a 5 out. Divide a 5 out. That becomes a 1. That becomes a 3. Multiply straight across, you get 2/3. If you got 80/20, that's fine. You just have to simplify it. You don't have to do that a couple times. Eliana. Could you divide it by, yes, you could have. We just sort of had to simplify after that. It wouldn't have been simple. Okay? Anyone else? Question? All right, there are a couple more there. We're not going to do all of those here right now. What we're going to do, though, we're going to do a word problem. I'll do the easier of the 2 word problems first. All right, this is in your guided notes. It is the very last problem on the front page. It says the net weight of baseballs in the box shown below is 60 3/4. If the weight of each baseball is the same, how much does each baseball weigh? What operation are we going to be using in this word problem? Sejal. It is division. Awesome job. Does order matter when we divide? Yes. Order matters when we divide. So it's really important that we put the numbers in the correct order. What number is going to go first in this situation? Jackson. Good. 60 3/4 is going to go first. It is the total weight of all of the baseballs. It is our total. It's going to come first. If we want to find the weight of each baseball, what do? We have the total amount of weight. We want to find the weight of each one individual one. What are we going to do? Sejal? We're going to divide by 12. Can someone tell me why we divide by 12? Why is it 12? Parker? Good, that's how many total balls are in the box. 12 balls weighs how much? Lincoln? Yeah, 16 3/4. So we take the total weight divided by the total number of balls. That's going to equal how much one ball weighs. You have a couple minutes here to solve this problem. See if you can do it. 16 3/4 divided by 12. And then 4 times 60 is 240. 60 times 4, add 3, 243. 243 over 4, divided by 12 over 1. Wow. Okay. Do the best you can on homework. We will talk about some of the homework from this week tomorrow. The answer? The answer is 5 and the answer, Nick, is 5 and 1/16.